Welcome back once again. Now let's consider this prime factor. Let's find the prime factor of 36. Prime factor of 36. Remember, in our last video, I've talked about prime numbers and I've talked about factors. I said prime numbers are selfish number that has just two numbers that can divide them. And I've talked about factors, saying that factors are numbers that can divide another number exactly without leaving a remainder. Now, let's combine these two and find the factors, the prime factors of 36. Now, let's go. Solution. 36. 2 goes here is 18. And then 2 goes here is 9. And then we have 3. 3 goes here is 3. And 3 here is 1. Therefore, we have 2 raised to power 2 and then 3 raised to power 2. So, looking at this now, the prime factors of 36 is going to be 2 and 3. Or better still, we can say 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Look at this. What are the factors of 2? Is just 1 and itself. Factors of 3 is just 1 and itself. We can get this 36 in another way. We can say 4 times 9, 36. Even 6 times 6 will give us 36. But you see 4 is not a prime number. And you see 6 is also a prime number. But if you multiply this and this, you will still have your 4 by 9 to give you 36. But 4 is not a prime number. Neither is 9 also a prime number. So we cannot say 4 times 9 or 12 times 3 because 12 is not also a prime number. So the best way to get the prime number of 36 is using this tree method, and I write it this way in index form, and finally you expand it. So when you say 2 times 2, you have 4, and then 3 times 3, you have 9. When you combine the two together, you will still be having your 36. But this is your answer. Thank you. Now, a quick one for you. You find the prime factor of 16. Please leave your answer in the comment section. I will be waiting. Thank you.